Hi, Ye.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. Okay, you're fine. You're doing great. That's good.
Wait,
Okay,
wait, wait, please.
okay, go me.
Okay.
Okay, so today we're going to study developing.
I think we have a free talking.
Okay, wait me. We're going to have particular topic because it's really hard to talk if we don't have particular topic. Okay, let us talk about food. Okay, at least we have topic to talk to. Okay, it's very hot here, ni. Very hot. Wait
Oh,
me, ha. Wait, teacher. Okay, wait me.
mua lâu lắm. Đầu tuần lận, cả tháng năm lận. Ờ, đó. Hôm nay 13, đó hôm nay 14. Một, hai, ba, 4 tuần nữa. Đợi cô má.
Ah,
Cô cầm cô
okay.
ra cho ai biết nữa. Đúng rồi, học biết.
Okay. Nghe.
Con không có chơi.
What is that, nghe? What did you talk about?
Thôi, vào cuộc.
Okay. Okay. So our topic is about food. Okay. From all of this, Ngi, what is your favorite? Oh, what is your favorite, Ngi? Okay, what do you think is the first?
The first,
Okay, what do you think is your most favorite? Okay, this is Vietnamese food, I guess.
phở,
Hmm?
phở.
This one, this one?
Chào mẹ, hôm nay chúng ta có
No.
thể học lúc 9 giờ 15 với
Sorry.
mẹ Si không?
What that?
It's for my student. The mom of my student doesn't know how to speak Vietnamese. Okay. Yeah, that's why I have to translate speaking Vietnamese. You can see. Oh, he doesn't know. She doesn't speak zero Vietnamese, zero English.
Oh,
Okay. So how about this one? This is, I don't know what's this. This one.
I think it's maybe chicken or maybe
Fried
crab.
chicken? Fried
Crab?
chicken?
No. Fried chicken it had fried chicken. Yes,
It's
yes,
hot.
fried chicken.
Yeah. How about this one? In my country, we call this barbecue. This one.
Wait me, I think
What do you call that one in your country?
cold I let's see. Let's think, wait me, I will remember that. It's like silk rolls.
Soup? Soup?
Silk rolls. Like
Mhm.
like
In my country, we call it barbecue. Barbecue, this one. Yeah, we call it barbecue. Okay. May I see? Yeah. Silk rules. In my country, this is bar. Do you have like this?
barbecue.
Mm-hmm.
I think
Mine. You have. Okay. This one, this is shrimp, and I don't know what's this. What's this?
I think it's maybe noodles.
Noodles with the shrimp?
Yes.
Oh, you have noodles with the shrimp? What do you call this one?
No, but I think it's noodles.
Noodles with the shrimp?
What?
There's a shrimp. Okay, wait me.
Shrimp? Shrimp. Yes, shrimp.
Yeah. Mm.
Noodle with shrimp. Yes. Like it's like that.
It's like that. Okay, next one. Okay, be able to order like this
Okay.
one. Oh, we have here. Okay. So we have vocabulary like the word appetizer. Okay. I don't know. Mon kai vi in Vietnamese. Mon kai vi. Mon kai vi.
Appetizer.
Yeah, mon kai vi.
Appetizer.
Appetizer.
It's like the first food we eat.
Okay. What is the
When
best
we eat in
appetizer for you?
restaurant,
This
we
is
like
chili.
appetizer.
Okay, this is chili.
Yes, sauce.
Okay, sauce. Okay. Order. It means you will order this one. When you go on the shop, you will gonna order. Okay, you will gonna order. Pepper. This one is pepper.
Pepper. Pepper is like a black.
Pepper is like
black.
yeah, it's spicy.
Black.
Spicy.
Yes, spicy also.
Yeah, it's spicy also. Okay, next we have this one.
Lettuce. Like it's like vegetable.
Yes. And we have lamb. We have lamb.
Lamb is
Okay, this one maybe. I'm not.
lamb is
I don't eat. You eat?
no, I didn't eat that.
Yeah. How about your dad? Your father,
What?
your parents, your mom and your dad.
No,
Do they
I
eat?
think they don't eat
Okay.
that.
Yeah. Waitress, this
Like
one
meat.
is it's a meat.
Waitress
Waitress, this one. The one who
is
gets the order.
girl wait. Girl.
The girl wait. The girl waiter.
Yeah, woman wait.
Okay, woman waiter. Okay, please copy. You can copy. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here.
Mushroom, beans.
We have different food. From what is shown here, what is your most favorite?
Kiwi.
You like?
Yeah.
You like kiwi?
Egg, ice cream, kiwi, grapes, ice cream.
Oh, you like kiwi? Wait. Where's kiwi here?
Kiwi.
Oh, this one? You like this? It's rare in my country. It's not always present. It's rare. Okay. What else? Chicken. You like chicken?
I like fried chicken, but not chicken.
You like fried chicken, but not chicken. Okay. What is it? Yeah. Okay. Egg. Do you like egg?
I like kiwi.
Cauliflower.
Egg.
Do you eat cauliflower?
Cauliflower, yeah.
Vegetable. Broccoli.
Broccoli. A small broccoli.
The small. Okay. Sandwich. This one.
Yes, sandwich.
Yes. This one. Okay, I have a scene. Wait, Mingiha. Please listen this one. Teacher will go to the bathroom. Okay, please listen this.
Are you ready to order?
We are.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yes.
I'm in the mood for lamb, but the sauce looks too fatty. Could I order the lamb without the sauce?
Sure.
What does it come with?
French fries.
I don't like fried food. Could I have a grilled vegetable instead?
I think we have grilled peppers.
Perfect.
Would you like to start with an appetizer?
Is there oil on the tomato salad?
There's a lot of olive oil, yes.
Could I get it without the oil?
But it won't taste very good.
Then I'll just have a mixed green salad.
And you?
I'm sorry, I have another question. Is there salt on the lamb?
It's cooked with salt and pepper, yes.
I don't want a lot of salt. I think I'll have the fish instead. What's in the sauce?
Lemon, butter, milk.
Oh, that's too much dairy. Maybe I'll have a large salad for my entree, and no appetizer. What's in the salad?
Lettuce, carrots, peppers, onions, egg.
Oh, no egg, please.
Salad, no egg. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
And for you?
I'll have the special.
The special.
The special.
Great.
Could I ask you another question?
No.
Okay, what do you think happened?
Teacher, can I see the sentence of they talk?
Okay, wait. You want to hear again?
No, like a sentence.
This one. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, please read what they're talking about. Are you ready to order? Okay. So we have here the waitress, Bob, Cheryl, waitress, Cheryl. Cheryl is so perfectionist. Okay. Health conscious. Okay, after that, please be ready because you have to answer questions. Okay. I moved for lamb, but the sauce looks fatty. Could I order the lamb without the sauce? Sure. What does it come with? French fries? I don't like fried foods. Could I have grilled vegetables instead? I think we have grilled peppers. Perfect. Okay, next one. Okay. Would you like to start with an appetizer? Is there an oil on a tomato salad? There's a lot of olive oil, yes. Could I get it without? Oh, well, but it won't taste very good. That I'll just have mixed green salad. And you, I'm sorry, I have another question. Is there a salt in the lamb? It cooked with salt and pepper. Yes, I don't want a lot of salt. Oh, so maybe the maybe the waitress is really tired because he keep on changing the order. Yes.
Mhm. Yeah, because like it's cooked with salt and pepper, but they
Mm,
don't want a lot of salt. And when the sauce, the sauce is too fatty, and they don't, and
like
they eat
fatty.
without the salt.
Yes, yes. Very juicy. Okay. Yes, this one. Okay, look at this. What did the friends of, maybe the friends of Cheryl is also annoyed. Lemon buttermilk. Oh, that's too much dairy. Maybe I'll have large salad for my entry and no appetizer. What's in the salad? Lettuce, carrots, pepper, onions. No egg, please. Salad, no egg. Anything to drink, just water, please. And for you, I'll have the special. Bob the special. Paul the special. Great. Could I ask you another question? No. Okay, so it seems that Bob, Paul, and Marie they are quite annoyed with their friend Cheryl because Cheryl is very
Teacher,
mm,
I don't understand. Is um anything to drink? Just water, please. And for you, I have the special. What?
maybe the special is the special menu. Or they have special menu that it is already complete. You don't need to add more. So that's special. Okay. So the three friends of Cheryl wants only special. It means special menu. Everything is there. But Cheryl is keep on changing and complaining. Okay. The waitress is also stressed. Okay. Now. Okay, so she keeps on changing. Okay, look at this. People are ordering food in the restaurant. What does each person order? Listen and check the correct picture. Okay?
Page 19. 3. Let's listen. Task 1. People are ordering food in a restaurant. What does each person order? Listen and check the correct picture. One.
What would you like to order?
I think I'll have the fish.
Okay, and would you like asparagus or a baked potato?
I'll have the asparagus. And could I have some tea, please?
Sure.
Oh, could you ask the chef to hurry? I'm really starving.
Okay. I'll try to get it for you as soon as possible.
2.
What would you like to order?
I'd like the steak, please.
Would you like baked potatoes or fries with that?
I'd like fries, please.
Okay.
And make sure there are lots of fries, please. They're my favorite food.
Sure.
3.
Have you made up your mind?
Yes, I'm going to have spaghetti and a small salad.
Anything else?
When you bring the spaghetti, could you bring me a bottle of hot sauce?
Hot sauce? Like Tabasco sauce?
Yes, I like really spicy food.
No problem.
4.
What can I get you?
I'd like a cheeseburger, French fries, and a cola.
Okay.
But could you make sure there's no salt on the French fries?
No salt? Okay.
Thanks. I'm on a salt-free diet.
I'll make sure there's no salt on the fries. Don't worry.
5.
Are you ready to order?
Yeah, I'm just going to have some dessert. I'll just have a piece of apple pie.
Fine. With ice cream?
No, just pie, thanks.
Fine.
But please don't heat it.
You want it cold?
Yes, I hate hot pie.
Okay.
6.
What can I get you?
I don't want anything to eat. Just a milkshake, please.
Sure. What flavor would you like?
Vanilla, please.
Okay. 1 vanilla milkshake coming up.
And please make sure they don't add any sugar to it.
No sugar?
That's right. I don't like sweet shakes.
Certainly.
Finish.
Okay. Okay, so first is, okay, answer number 2. We have this fries with French fries. Meat with French fries. Number 2. Okay, spaghetti. Oh, with there is some, I don't know what's this. And through 4. Oh, this one. Burger with French fries. Do you like this one? Do you like this?
Yes.
Burger with fries. Okay, next one we have number 5 and number 6. Okay, letter B. Okay. Yes. Okay, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Do you know this already? Countable, it means you can count. Okay.
2, 3, 4.
Uncountable, you cannot count. I cannot count it, teacher. It is uncountable.
We cannot
Okay.
count sugar.
Hmm?
We cannot count sugar.
Okay, of course, we cannot count sugar. These are uncountable. You cannot count your hair. How many? Can you count your hair, Ni? Okay. It's hard to count your hair. Okay, this one. These are uncountable. I don't know this. Example, money, informations. Okay, but this one, I don't know what's this. It's Vietnamese. Okay, so these are uncountable. Look at me. So many.
By aggression, assistant, beauty, beef, bribery, bread, butter, cake, cash, chows, clothing, confidence, content, cotton, equipment, failure, base, fame, wool, fun, furniture, fruit, gasoline, grief, gold, guide, gold, harm, happiness, jewelry, knowledge, daughter, love, luggage, machinery, money, meat, milk, motivation, constant, nature, news, paper, perfume, pasta, rain, wizard, and rice, satisfaction, seafood, space, shopping, silence, soup, spaghetti, sugar, silver, smoke.
So many.
Transportation, travel, thunder, traffic, understanding, warmth, water, wealth, weather, wisdom, wood, work, yoga, yeah.
Okay, so many. Okay, there were so many. Okay. So we have here describe the condition of food and fruit. Please describe the condition of food and fruit. We have fresh, rotten. Okay, fresh. There's fresh fruit, rotten fruit. Okay, the fruit is rotten. Oh, have you tasted a rotten fruit?
Huh?
Have you tasted a rotten fruit?
No.
No. Okay, off. It means off. It's off. Okay. Stale. Used for bread or pastry. Moldy. Okay. Ripe. You know ripe? It's very ripe, teacher. Ripe. Okay. Next is unripe. Not ripe. Juicy. Okay, you have juicy. Oh my God, it is so juicy, teacher. Juicy. It's delicious. It's juicy. Okay, it is delicious. Juicy. Okay. Next one. I sorry ni. You will copy? Okay?
Wait.
Okay, tell me.
Finish.
Okay? So we have here. Okay, so we have here, describe how the food tastes. This is now taste. It tastes sweet. So this is your taste. Is taste sickly? Oh, it's tanmoy. Okay. Sour, salty, delicious, tasty, bland, poor, and horrible. Okay, please. This is the taste. This is how we describe the food, the taste of the food. Okay.
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 Okay. Finish. Okay.
Okay, this one. Ask and answer. Okay. Do you like eating fast food?
Maybe yes or maybe no. Because
Okay.
yes is also like it's very delicious, but no, it's so fat.
Okay. Do you usually eat at home or in the restaurant?
In the restaurant.
Okay. How often do you have unhealthy food? How often do you have unhealthy food?
Once a week.
Okay. Once a week. What unhealthy food do you eat?
The fried. It's like fried chicken.
Okay. Next. Okay. Order a meal. So this one, you can see in the picture that the couple is having dinner in the restaurant. They will order a meal.
What do you think is a dinner?
What do you think they're ordering?
They're ordering the entry.
Okay, so what do you think they're doing? What do you think they are ordering? It's like meat.
They're ordering the entry.
The entry, okay. For example, what would you like to order? If I am the waiter, what would you like to order?
I would like to order a small cupcake. And in a glass of orange juice, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thanks.
So how about your dessert?
Dessert? A dessert is nothing else.
You don't like dessert?
No, I don't.
Okay. So example, what would you like to order? I'd like a bacon burger, please. Would you like potato king? No, only bacon and burger. Okay. So anything else? Sorry. And a fresh lime, please. Okay, I'll try to get them for you as soon as possible. Okay. This is the restaurant. Okay, as you can see in here, this is the restaurant. You can see drink corner. Okay, you can see drink corner. Okay, so many drink. Okay, you can see in that one. There were so many drink in the drink corner. Okay, so here, okay, what do you think is your most favorite drinks? Oh.
Strawberry iced tea and...
Oh, you want this?
Uh-huh.
You love this? It's strawberry iced tea. I love strawberry iced tea, teacher.
Iced
What
tea
else?
and strawberry sensation.
Oh, you like it. Okay, you like strawberry iced tea. You love it. Okay. So now let us have this. Okay. Okay. So we will have free talking now. Okay. So do you like to eat? I don't know what's this. Mozzarella moons. I don't know. This is probably the mozzarella moons. Oh, why it's expensive? $9. This one. It's so expensive.
I don't like container blue.
Okay, it's potato king.
So I think
why
so
it's so expensive? And this
weird.
one, how much is this one?
Weird.
You like juice or like profi or like this? This one, you like this?
Yes.
Or this one?
Container orange?
Yeah, it's orange. You like it?
I think it's expensive.
Oh, it's expensive. Okay, it's 25,000. I don't know, 25,000 dong, maybe? 25,000 dong? Oh, it's expensive ni. Okay, so when you go in the restaurant, what do you usually
$5,000.
order? Huh?
I usually order like
What do you usually order? What do you usually like?
mm, fried um fried chicken.
French fries? You like French fries?
Yes.
Oh, you like French fries. You love French fries a lot. Okay. So how about what else? Juices. You like fruit juices?
Fruit?
Fruit
No.
juices. Fruit juices.
Yes.
You like fruit juices. Okay, that's good. Okay. So, and then also, how about, I don't know, this in my country, this is wrap. It is, it is Mexican food, this one. It is, we call it, this one.
Oh,
Yeah. It's,
Turk?
yeah, it's like roll paper. Uh, paper, roll Japanese paper. That's Japanese paper. And inside
Turk
there
is
is
the person.
meat.
Turk,
Meat.
Turk is the person.
Oh, like this. We call this Turk in my country. We call this Turk.
Turk is it's
Oh,
like
it's very expensive.
what?
It's very expensive. Me, look at
What?
this one. Very expensive. It's $99.
Oh,
Oh my God. Miners, littles, crochet up and oh, very expensive. In my country, like this, it's only like two. No. It's 1.5 USD. Like
USD.
like 50,000 dong. Oh, less, like 40,000 dong. 40,000 dong only here, like this. But here, oh my God, it's very expensive. Very, very expensive. Right? Yeah. So, but it first, it tastes so good. Okay, it really tastes delicious. Okay, what time is it there in your country?
4:50.
4:50. Okay, it's good enough. So tomorrow, what time we're going to have the class?
I think
2 p.m.
3
3 p.m. Okay, I will arrange.
3 p.m.
Okay, so I will message you tomorrow 3 p.m. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, bye now. By the way, Jillian is in the badminton center now.
Oh.
She's having practice for 2 hours. She gets home at 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay? Thank you so much, Ngay, for this afternoon. Okay, bye-bye.